Do you want thicker, fuller lashes, but you just cannot commit to the time and the money that it would take to have eyelash extensions, and putting on false lashes every single day just seems a little bit more than you want to do? Well, have you thought about Latisse? I've been using it for a decade. Now, I've never had great lashes, even when I was young. I'm 52 now, and I love my lashes. They were always short and blonde, and since I've been using Latisse, oh my gosh, these are my eyelashes, and all I have on is mascara, primer, and mascara. And I'm super happy with them. Not to say I don't throw on lashes once in a while for filming a video or going out and being fancy, because that's just fun. And the thing is, lashes just open up your eyes so much. So on an everyday basis, I really love my lashes, and I just throw on my mascara and I go. And I wanted to tell you about a great way to get a hold of Latisse. Normally you'd have to go to your dermatologist, then you'd have to go and get your prescription filled, unless your dermatologist happens to have it there and can sell it to you. But you can get it now online and for a really good price. Before we go further, I just wanted to say hello, welcome to my channel, especially if you're new. So glad that you're here. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button right now while you're thinking of it. And also it'd be wonderful if you gave my video a like if you're enjoying my content, because it helps YouTube know that people are enjoying my content and they'll push it out to a larger audience. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So there's a company called Apostrophe, and they have online dermatologists. So it's like you're going to the dermatologist, but you can do it from your home using just your phone or your computer or whatever you feel like using, your iPad. Apostrophe reached out to me a few months ago, and I didn't even realize that they existed. So I thought this was pretty fantastic, because they're true online dermatologists who will work with you on things like rosacea and anti-aging and acne and all that kind of stuff, but they also offer Latisse. So I went through the entire process. I signed up. You pay for Latisse, it's a $20 consultation charge, but that does get credited back to you when you pay for Latisse. And I sent in my pictures of my eyes open and shut, filled out the little questionnaire, and then I was sent my Latisse. I was really happy with how the whole thing worked, so I wanted to share it with you, and I'm super happy to be partnering with Apostrophe on this video. It shows up in a little box like this, and let me go ahead and show it to you. While I'm opening this up, just so you know, Latisse does take about 16 weeks to really kick in and get you to your full eyelash growth. And I think part of that is because, from what I understand, eyelashes grow a lot slower than the hair on your head. And in addition, you know how your hair goes through cycles where it's growing or it's dormant or it's falling out? Well, apparently that dormant stage lasts a lot longer for your eyelashes than it does for the hair on your head. So, you know, we've got a lot of things against us on fast eyelash growth, unless you're one of those lucky people. I have one of my friends who just has the most long, lush eyelashes ever, but that's not me. So anyway, this is what the Latisse looks like. And Latisse comes with a bunch of little brushes. So for sanitary reasons, you get a pack of brushes like this. So for every day, you have one to use on your left eye and your right eye. Okay, I'm not a dermatologist. This is just me. I don't use these things. I gave them to my children for art projects when they were young, and now I just, kind of put them in a donation thing. I figure someone crafty will use these for something, because I find that they suck in so much of the product. I can make it last a bit longer if I use my own brush. This is a trusty brush I've been using forever. I clean it every single night that I use it. I find that if I just put a drop on here, I can just really get both eyelashes. And what I'll do is I'll do my right and then left, let's say tonight, and then the next day I'll do the left and then right. But you really, if you're gonna do this, you have to keep this brush clean. If you're not gonna do that, use these. This is what the Latisse bottle looks like. And here, we will waste a drop, and I'll show you how it works. So the way you would do it is you would just take out your brush, put a drop onto the end of the brush, and then you'd apply it. It's technically only for use on your upper lashes, but I found that when I apply it and I shut my eyes, it just kind of, does trickle down. So I feel like my lower lashes are in a lot better shape than they used to be also. Little tip for you, if you have any leftover on the brush, work it into your eyebrows. Again, unless you have super thick, awesome eyebrows. I don't. I waxed them too much in the 90s. Just add it to the ends where you need more hair growth, because as we age, our eyebrows get more sparse. And I think one thing about looking a lot more youthful is adding onto your eyebrows. So I'm not saying to sit there dolloping, but I just rub a little bit extra in, because there's always some extra on the brush. Let's pop over to the Apostrophe website real quickly so we can take a look at that and see what it's like, and also look at a few befores and afters of other Latisse users. This is the Apostrophe website, and to begin a visit, you just click here and sign in. Next, you'll get popped over to this screen, and you'll see what you can get prescription medication for skin, things like fine lines and wrinkles, acne and rosacea, eyelashes, today's topic, and then male pattern baldness. So we'll go ahead and click on eyelashes, and then you'll see that the visit fee of $20 does get credited back when you purchase your Latisse. Then you start your visit. Next, you need to go ahead and add in this information: first name, last name, date of birth, state you live in, and your phone number. Now that I've typed in where I live, your dermatologist will pop up. Mine is Dr. Amina Turagano, and you can read a bit about her, reviews, and what some people think. Next, you would just okay the T's and C's, and then you just choose your plan. Now, the interesting part is you will pay next, and then you will be doing your patient information where you fill out your personal information and do the photo upload without makeup of your eyelashes with your eyes open and shut. So you do pay first, but then all that other stuff comes after that, and then they ship you your Latisse. Since I don't have any good before pictures, let's check these out on the Latisse website. This is week 0 and this is week 16. I know a lot of people have used eyelash extensions, and while they look fabulous at first, it sounds like the upkeep is just kind of a nightmare to have to go every 3 weeks and pay, I think it's around $75 or more after you pay all the money up front to get them put on. And then when they come off, I understand you can kind of damage your real lashes too. So if you ever get rid of them, then your lashes look really, really bad. So I'd be interested to know, have you had experience with lash extensions before? Because I just have not gone there. I've been pretty darn tempted because they can look super, super awesome. And then also the thing about those too is that you can't put false eyelashes on top of those. That might sound weird to you, but think about it. If you get eyelash extensions and you do more of a lighter medium type of one for every day, you don't want to go too va-va-voom, but then you want to be va-va-voom, you can't add the va-va-voom because you're not supposed to put false lashes on top. And I like the flexibility of being able to change my look. You know what I mean? You know, maybe I want to have them more tapered one day and really full up front another if I'm doing false eyelashes. And with my own eyelashes, I can do whatever I want. So I love the flexibility of having my own lashes, being happy with them on a day-to-day basis, but being able to change it up if I want to without committing to something, you know, like the lash extensions, which honestly for me, I think the time as much as the money would be really, really hard. Not to say I won't one day try it, but right now, oh my gosh, I'm 52, I've never had them, and I've been pretty happy. So far so good. And I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried Latisse? Have you tried any other lash growth serums? Have you had any luck? Let me know in the comments below. And also if you have any questions, put them there too. Thank you so much for watching, and it's not goodbye, just so long till next time.